Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing, or not exactly reviewing, but just showing you the Belifu Ionic Hair Straightener Brush. So, and also I'm going to be doing the unboxing of this product. So I actually called for this from Amazon DE because I'm here in Düsseldorf right now, so that's probably the best place to order one of this. And it costed me about 29 euros. And I was looking for a lot of these different type of brushes, and I saw that this one was matching the price. And I don't know, I just read the other reviews by other people and it seemed to be like a good take. So I'm going to unbox this now and maybe even do a test if possible. So let's check it out. They just have this kind of plastic packaging which I need to open up. Okay, so as you can see, this is what inside the box looks like, and there is a kind of a rubber, I think, pad probably to keep the straightener brush, so it like I don't end up burning the surface or something like that. Or no, I think it's just so you can maybe keep it inside after using it, so it doesn't, your surfaces don't really get hot. But there is this weird like rubber stuff on it. I don't know, I don't know if you can see this, but it's okay. I think it's cool. So this is one of the things that has come out of this, and obviously the instruction manual or this kind of an offer. I don't really speak German so well, so that's of no use. Obviously the warranty card, it has a 24-month warranty. Again, it's in German, so I'm not gonna be able to explain you in detail about that. So this is how the product comes out like, and I really like how this feels, honestly, because it's got this nice matte kind of a finish at the back, and the bristles are like a normal brush, and it's very similar to my brush actually, and they're like nice and thick. I don't know if you can see this from the side. It's like quite deep as well, so maybe it can take more of your hair. And from the front on, it's like flat, so you can see this, and it's flat actually throughout, all the way through. And it says Belifu at the back, and it also has kind of like buttons here. I don't know if you can read this well, but it says okay, it just says contact us actually. There's a kind of a sticker on top of it, so I'm just gonna remove the sticker so you can see better as to what the buttons look like. And yeah, so it's got the on off button on the top, temperature setting, and Ionic. So yeah, it's got, I think, about a meter like long wire. And I'm gonna just open this up and test it now, because I don't know, I just kind of feel excited by this brush because I've been looking for something like this, and I've always used straighteners, and I was not sure if I want to go for this kind of a brush, but I have, and it's the Belifu one, and it's made in China also, and it also has like a power rate of 36 watts and a voltage of like 240. So I think that's okay. So I'm just gonna click this and put this on. I think it begins at like 190 degrees. I just have a bad throat, so tea for that. Let's see, I don't know, it's kind of blinking. I don't know what to do. Do I just click this longer or no? Sorry, it went off when I clicked it for longer. Okay, so I think what I understand is, oh, so there are two buttons. One is the one on top that says on, and the bottom one is like blue. I don't know, I think I should have a look at the instruction manual. But like I told you, it's in German, and that's not gonna be a good thing for me, but maybe there is in English also. Yeah, I don't know. But the thing at the bottom rotates, so that's a good thing. I'm just like messing around now because yeah, I can feel it getting warm. But I clicked it again and then it turns to 210. Okay, so it's just gonna heat up for a bit. I think it's gonna take about a few minutes. I don't know how these brushes work, so I really can't tell you for sure that this is how long this is taking. I don't know what kind of temperature does it usually come to, even because like with straighteners it just is hot and you know it. But with this I can't really say. I'm touching it, if you can see, and it kind of feels okay, but okay, I can smell some kind of a... Okay, so let's go ahead. Oh yeah, now the button has turned green. That means I think it means it's good to use. So I'm just gonna take this part of my hair and go for it. Okay, so it kind of feels like this, like the smell is kind of the same smell that you get when you're usually using a straightener. You know, like you know that your hair is under heat. And also my hair is kind of a little wet right now. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not completely dry. So I am just kind of doing this on a little wet hair. I don't know if that's okay, but it seems to be doing a nice job. Like, yeah, look at this and then look at this. This is obviously just out of the shower, a bit frizzy. And, oops, I don't know. I've not even combed my hair, so I really can't say. And I kind of have hair fall usually when I brush, so I need to brush with a thin brush and then do this maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep this on this pink thing, like the other way around. Okay, and I'm just gonna brush it with my normal brush because my hair is not even brushed, and then I'm gonna go over with that because I don't really want to experiment with my hair. And yeah, but if you notice, like it kind of has straightened it. So let's take this part because this kind of looks really bad right now, and we can test it out on this. It's at 210, by the way, the 210 degrees, so we can know. But I really like this because it's like a brush, but it's warm. I mean, just imagine doing this stuff and you don't even need like a proper brush. You just need to, yeah, you need the proper brush to maybe like just comb your hair quickly and then go over with this. But it's like a brush, like it's not a straightening iron that's completely like burning off my hair. You know what I mean? And now I'm just gonna randomly go over it so you know, like, okay, if you're late to work and you need to do this quickly, like how this works. That was slow, but this is gonna be really fast because this is how I am going to be maybe doing this in the morning, you know, like on speed. Like no one's got time for this, you know. And that's the whole point of this brush. It should be doing this. So, the knots, okay. I'm kind of going over the knots now. Is it still warm? I can't see. Because with the straightener, it's kind of obvious, you know. But yeah, this is pretty cool. This is my fast brush. Ooh, love. I would totally recommend this product because I don't know, it's my first one. I don't know if you guys have like a lot of experience with this. Can you see my hair? It's locked in on the bristles. I think this could be a slight problem, especially for girls who have knotting or they have like hair fall during brushing. And I think most of us do, but I don't know. But yeah, this is something that it's gonna be like you have to maintain this. You can't just leave it like that doing its own thing, you know, like you probably do with the straightener. But yeah, I really like it. I mean, it took like hardly 5 minutes. I was slow because I haven't done this before and it's my first time using this brush. But I have to say that this is gonna be my next go-to thing. And can you see I'm holding it here at the back and it's not doing any harm to me. And yeah, like I really like the finish. So yeah, I think you guys should totally check this one out. It's on the budget and everything, and it just does the job, man. Okay then. Until next time. Ciao.